Environmental pollution contributed to the deaths of about 9 million people in 2015. That's nearly 15 times as many deaths from war and all forms of violence. That staggering figure comes from a study published this week in the medical journal The Lancet. Here's Anna Werner.
It's one of the strongest storms to ever hit the United States. Hurricane Ida smashed into Louisiana as a Category 4, ripping apart homes, flooding cities, and even forcing the Mississippi River to flow backwards.
The images are almost unbearably distressing. Collapsed buildings, which are the main reason for the catastrophic loss of life resulting from this earthquake. So why was this one so bad? Well, the main thing, of course, was just how severe the earthquake was. This is a shake map for the first 7.8 magnitude quake.
Our growing population also puts increasing pressure on resources, food, water, energy, as well as infrastructure. Huge issues for society with lasting implications for our planet.
The Earth is dying. Mother Nature is suffering. Our world is collapsing. It cannot keep up with our advances and is now being destroyed by our own progress. It's hard to identify the roots of such a big problem, but if we really dig deep, it's just because we are evolving too fast. Our way of producing daily needs has changed drastically, and the infrastructure needed for all that has changed completely. This brings us to the solution of our problems: sustainable cities and communities. For last year's independent research project, I made it on sustainable cities and communities. I really can't explain much, but all I know is that this is a dire problem and you should know about it. So please, if you do have the time, how about you enrich yourself with valuable information about the way we can save our planet together by reading and going through my website, which is in the description.